Hello friends, through this video we are going to solve the question number 9 of exercise 5.2. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and -8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Here we are going to find the which term of this AP is 0. Children, we have A3 means third term. Third term is 4. We can write A3 is equal to A plus 2D by using this formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. If AN equal to this, then A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. A plus 2D equal to 4. This is the equation number 1. And according to the second condition, ninth term of an AP is -8. Similarly, we can write A9 equal to -8, A plus 8D. The value of A9, A plus 9 minus 1 means 8D is equal to -8. Solving equation 1 and 2, the equation 1 is what? Equation 1 is A plus 2D equal to 4 and equation 2 is A plus 8D equal to -8. After solving these two equations, we can get the value of D. Now we are going to put the value of D equal to -2 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? The equation number 1 is A plus 2D equal to 4. After putting the value of D equal to -2 in equation number 2, we will get the value of A equal to 8. The value of D is what? -2. So A equal to 8. In this question, the question is asking about which term of this AP is 0. Let nth term of the given AP be 0. Nth term means AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and the value of AN, which term of this AP is 0? Nth term. Let the nth term be 0. The value of A is 8 and the value of D is -2. After putting the value of A and D, we will find the value of N. 8 plus N minus 1 into -2. After simplification, we will get the value of N. Here, fifth term will become 0. After question number 9, we are going to solve question number 12. According to this question, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Let the first term of two APs be A1 and A2. Here, in this question, the common difference are same for the two APs. Let the common difference be D. दोनों के लिए हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस D ही रखेंगे, बट द फर्स्ट टर्म आर डिफरेंट. According to the question, 100th term of the first AP is equal to 100th term of the first AP is equal to A1 plus 100 minus 1 into D. A1 plus 100 minus 1 into A1 plus 99 into D. This is the equation number 1. And for the second AP, 100th term of the second AP equal to A2 plus 100 minus 1 into D. The first term of the second AP is A2 plus 99 into D. This is the second equation. According to the question, we are going to find the difference between their 100th term. It is given that. So we are going to put the value of 100th term of the first AP. The 100th term of the first AP is A1 plus 99 minus the 100th term of the second AP is A2 plus 99 into D. A2 plus 99 into D is equal to 100. After solving these equations, we can find the value of A1 minus A2, this is the difference between the first term of the two APs, is 100. Now we are going to find the difference between the thousandth term of the two APs. The question is asking about what is the difference between their thousandth terms. Thousand term of the first AP minus thousand terms of the second AP is equal to A1 plus 999 into D minus thousand term of the AP A2 plus 999. 1000 minus 1 is equal to 999 into D. So after solving or simplified, we will find the value of A1 minus A2. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Here the difference between the thousand term of the first AP and the second AP is equal to 100. This is the answer.